Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Today, Manpower released the hiring pace for the fourth quarter. Newslink Indiana's Derek Tucker tells us about the job outlook for the future.
The signs seem to point to a good job market in Muncie. Experts agree. Manpower's quarterly survey shows more Indiana companies plan to hire people before the end of the year than the national average.
We're still seeing strong growth potential, strong hiring demands from the companies. This will be the third quarter with good, strong hiring expectations.
30% of Indiana companies are looking to add staff. 7% say they'll decrease staff. That's an improvement from the last quarter when 10% looked to decrease. 60% say they don't plan any changes. That's down from 70% last year.
Crockett says this period in hiring is one of the largest he's seen since the year 2000, and it is a strong indicator that it will continue for this part of the state. He says there's a number of factors that go into the reason why businesses are hiring.
The impact, obviously, of 911 that had on the U.S. economy. We're rebounding from that.
Jim Crockett of Manpower also says people are gaining confidence in the government remaining stable with no major tax law or market changes. The owner of Cardinal Dining and Catering says he's confident enough to hire new workers.
We're hiring because people tend to find other jobs that are paying more and they're moving on to bigger and better things.
And if Manpower's survey is accurate, more help wanted signs will go up around East Central Indiana. In Delaware County, Derek Tucker, Newslink, Indiana.
Manpower surveys close to 500 markets across the United States and 30 different businesses in East Central Indiana. They include durable and non-durable goods, service sectors, and education. Railroad crossings in need of repair are being shut down around Muncie. Last week, Norfolk Southern on Old Indiana 67 closed. Crews worked Monday at the Liberty and Council Street crossings. Work will continue on the crossings through this week. Closures are expected during the repair, and look for more closures later this month as crews continue to make those repairs. Now here's Jennifer Cook with a look at our forecast. Jennifer?
Thanks, Chris. Tonight we're going to see mostly clear skies. We're going to see a low of 62 degrees. For tomorrow, we're going to see patchy fog in the morning, but for most part of the day, we're going to see mostly sunny skies, warm 82, and then for the next couple of days, cold front's going to move in, causing cooler temperatures.
Thanks, Jennifer. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.